welcome back to Goals of Gear. My name is Ed, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Fenix GL19R dual output rechargeable tactical light. The reason why I chose this particular brand as an option was just I like having something that's slightly different that not everyone usually goes after. I know that there are very popular brands and options like the Streamlight and the Olight option, but I've had a good reception to Fenix. One of my first tactical flashlights that I used for my EMT certification and outdoor needs was like 8 years ago, and it's still running strong today. And the only thing I've needed to change was to swap out the batteries that just ran out of like rechargeability. So overall, I have a huge appreciation for the brand. It's just a different brand. I'm not saying it's better than Streamlight or Olight in particular. I just like the brand in general. But let's look at what this box and what this particular product shows. So GL19, the designation from what I understand is that it fits both Glock and 1911 rail lights. I think it's a pretty similar setup, so that's why that's the designation. It has the QD lever lock, the instant strobe, USB-C charging, limited lifetime warranty of 5 years with a free repair, 1200 lumens, 2 hours maximum runtime, and included is the rechargeable battery, which is the ARB L18 1100P. On the side, you get that, and then the different pictographics of what options and use case scenarios there are for it. And then on the back, there's a little bit more. They mentioned that they've engineered it specifically to enhance visibility and targeting capability in shooting activities. This one has an output, like I said, of 1200 lumens, but it has an option to go to 350 and has a strobe at 1200. Runtime is an hour for the 1200 and 2 hours for 350. The distance is 210 or 110, depending on the lumen usage choice and intensity, and also has an impact resistance of 1 meter and is IP68 submersible rating. Overall, it's not a bad setup. I think in terms of cost, it's pretty comparable to what people would consider getting for either an Olight or a Streamlight, but this is what you get, and let's crack it open. So immediately out of the box, it's a pretty well thought out plastic setup. In the back, of course, is the USB-C charger, the pamphlets, it looks like an additional gasket and cover for it, the instruction manual, and then the light itself. So let's take a look at it. It has a notice and warning. We'll get these out of the way so we can take a look at the actual light itself. So overall, I think the construction is a very durable, nice, sturdy construction. It is an all metal body, so it does feel like it's gonna, stand up to a test of time. This is the QD lock setup that they have. And then, as you can see, it's an ambidextrous trigger, so you can use left or right for the light trigger itself. The charging port, the locking mechanism, and then this is the flashlight head itself. So overall, I think it's a pretty good setup. I can't wait to see the difference. Right now, I'm currently running some like really random off-name brand on my Glock, but this one's going to be a nice little setup for it. So let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you guys think is a dark horse in the tactical light game, and if you guys think that Streamlight or Olight is just that much better and worth it. So really appreciate it. If you guys haven't had a chance, please like and subscribe. I know that some of you guys watch but don't subscribe, and I usually don't plug it, but I just want to see what I can get in the subscriber count. So let me know if you guys like it. If you guys would like more material, this would really help me understand what you guys want out of it. So cool. Thank you very much and have a good one.